The Gunpowder Plot. This is the story of a group of men who plotted to kill a king and his advisers by blowing up the Houses of Parliament on the 5th of November 1605. But before I begin, it's important for you to understand what was happening in England at the time. The story begins when Henry VIII was king. Henry wanted to divorce Catherine of Aragon so he could marry someone else, but there was a problem. The Pope wouldn't let him divorce his wife, because it was against the rules of the Roman Catholic Church. Henry got over this little hurdle by setting up the Church of England. Therefore, he stopped being a Catholic and became a Protestant. A couple of monarchs later, in 1558, his Protestant daughter became Queen Elizabeth I. There were a lot of Catholics in Europe, and the Queen was afraid they might invade and gang up on the Protestants. To keep them in their place, she persecuted the Catholics in England, which means she treated them very badly. When Elizabeth died in 1605, King James VI of Scotland became King James I of England. At first, the Catholics were quite pleased about this, because James was the son of Mary Queen of Scots, who was a Catholic, and Elizabeth had hated Mary so much that she had her executed. Also, James was married to Queen Anne of Denmark, who was a Catholic, so the Catholics thought the new king would be much kinder to them, but he wasn't. A few of them were so fed up with what was going on, that they made drastic plans. 5 men plotted to kill James I and his advisers by blowing up the Houses of Parliament. At the official opening of Parliament, they were led by Robert Catesby. The other plotters were Thomas Percy, Thomas Wintour, John Wright, and Guy Fawkes. Guy Fawkes was born in York in 1570. His family were Protestants, but he later became a Catholic. He joined the Spanish army as a soldier of fortune and started to call himself Guy de Fawkes. He'd been fighting for Spain in Flanders for more than 10 years, when he met Thomas Wintour, who asked him to join the group of plotters. Guy Fawkes could be useful to the group because he knew about gunpowder. He came back to England in 1604. The plotters rented a house next door to the Houses of Parliament. They planned to dig a tunnel so they could get the gunpowder from the cellar of the house to the House of Lords, but this didn't work out because it took too long, so they came up with another plan. Come back tomorrow for the conclusion of the Gunpowder Plot.